Hi folks, we're doing these short. This is on your privacy. Your privacy. I've been hit hard. I used to hunt scammers openly. Y'all don't need to go through that trash. And I can protect my end by being blatantly private with y'all. You have the right to your privacy, your data. I ain't gonna buy it, sell it, trade it, give it away. I will go to jail unless, honestly, unless there is more than proof positive that the person is a rapist, a murderer of children, something like that. That's just the reality of it. Cookies are the same way. Every site needs to gather cookies. They tell me what my products are doing. Are they interesting to people? Are my descriptions interesting, etc.? They tell me what my pages, how often my pages are visited, or how long they've been stayed on. Are they jumped? Are they ran away from? This gives me valuable information so that up here I can do shorter and shorter videos, which I've been fighting towards for over a year now. A year and a half, 3/4. Folks, your privacy is protected. Mwah. Peace out. A minute 54. Blessings.